Hello, again us. We will talk today about Ramadan. We are visiting Yellow Fortress and we will explain one special moment which is happening every evening in Sarajevo. So don't miss it during Ramadan. We are now in Kovači neighborhood, which is the neighborhood of the old town of Sarajevo. And tourists walking around city, they might get confused when they see these long queues all around us. Behind us, there are people who are waiting for Somun. And Somun is traditional homemade bread made only in bakeries in Sarajevo. That bread you might see when you order cevapi in Sarajevo or when you go to Ashchenica, but that bread we like to eat during iftar. Iftar is this traditional lunch which is happening in the moment when the cannon fires. We say that this is the most preserved part of Sarajevo. Here in Kovači neighborhood you will find mahalas, which are traditional neighborhoods of Sarajevo. Very tiny streets. During 16th and 17th century in Sarajevo, no one basically lived downtown where the Baščarši is. People lived in the hills and business was taking place downtown. In this part of Sarajevo, we just had streets of the old town and neighborhoods where just ordinary people lived. Currently, this cemetery here on the way to the Yellow Fortress, this is cemetery of the martyrs from the siege of Sarajevo. So here you'll find 1,600 people buried. Cannon that you see over there is a cannon which will be fired in the moment of sunset. Moment of sunset marks end of the fasting day for the Muslim community. So this is happening every evening during Ramadan. Those who are a little bit more advanced, they can connect it with the clock tower. Clock tower hitting 12, cannon fires here, end of the day according to lunar calendar. Check it out.